Here we go, it's Joel Travelino here, and hello once again from RAF Brize Norton. I'm at a little bit of a different location today, not Station Road, as today they're not going to be landing on runway 25, they're going to be landing on runway 07. Just to let you know that the video will be a little bit different today. However, today we are here to see the Antonov AN-124, a very, very rare sight at RAF Brize Norton. It's coming in from Leipzig in Germany, and it should be amazing to see this plane arrive. As I speak right now, it's about 50 minutes out, so we're just going to be set up, ready to see the plane. We've got a decent enough location, we should be able to see the full approach as it comes in. Unfortunately, we cannot see touchdown from this location, but we do see it come over the approach, the field that is in front of me, that you cannot see, you'll see later on. So yeah, without further ado guys, enjoy the video. I'll be quiet now. I didn't need it, sorry.